Hey guys, today I have the Boxycharm for the month of April for you guys, and I also have not only the unboxing but the try on as always. So first part is the unboxing, and then if you want to keep watching you can see how I got this look in the try on portion. So as always, Boxycharm does send me this for review purposes. All opinions are my own. They do give me a link. I get compensation if you use the link. It's not necessary. It's you know, I'm good if you use it or don't use it. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump into unboxing this month's box. So this month is Peace, Love, and Boxy. This is edition number 2. I always leave that in the down bar, as well as how much the total value of the box is. I tried to do that for you guys because a lot of you guys, and also the weight of the box if I can find it. So jumping in. So first thing in here is the Pure the Complexion Authority Festival palette, and this is worth $36. So this is what the palette looks like. The box that it came in has the same kind of packaging, and then when you open the palette it does have the plastic this little plastic cover, as well as a bubble wrap. I don't know where I threw the bubble wrap, but I love the fact that Boxycharm always has like foam in their boxes or bubble wrap, so they always, you know, make sure whatever you're getting gets to you pretty much in one piece. I've never had an issue so far. I know that if you do, you can email them and they're really good about getting back to you. So this is what the palette looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It has a 12 press pigments, so if you don't know, pigments can sometimes, you know, stain your eye, things like that, so you just want to be careful. It is cruelty free and gluten free. The only thing is that the shelf life on this is only 6 months, which I was like, ooh, but I think it's because of the glitter in here. So that being said, this is what it looks like, and this is what the baby looks like on the inside. Ooh. So I do like the fact that it has warm colors, it has neutral colors, it has these 2 pops of color, the pink and the purple, and then it has, whoa, it has 2 glitter shades right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch for you guys. So that is the first row. This is the first row, and you can see it's all of neutral metallics. This is the second row, and this is one of the glitters right here. And this is the last row right here, and this is the other glitter. This is like the multi-dimensional glitter. It has like gold and red. It's called Fireworks. It's actually what's on my eyelids right now. It is just cardboard packaging, and it has a magnetic, and then it also has a really nice mirror in here. Next thing in here is the Luxie The Summer Days 3-piece brush set. This is worth $28. It came in this little packaging right here with a little festival kind of theme on it, and the brushes are kind of summer themed. They're pink with the bottom being kind of a little oranges, like a sunset. I thought that that was super cute. The ferrule is gold, and you get a contour brush, you get a small shader brush, and you get a large shader brush. So I will use this in the demo portion so you guys can see it. As you can see, it has the glitter on there, and you guys can see it in action. The next thing in the box is something that I was super excited about, and it is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and this is worth $27. I love these powders, and the one I got was Summer Haze. The 2 shades that are coming in the box are brand new to the line, so you either get Summer Haze or Purple Something, and both of them are absolutely beautiful. So I actually have Summer Haze on my cheeks right there, and his highlighters are super blingy, super beautiful. Let me just swatch a little bit. Oh god, I just took way too much out right there. So this is what it looks like right there. It's absolutely just beautiful. It's like a peachy, goldy, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's absolutely beautiful. Love his highlighters. Stunning. Next to last is the Butter London Power Up Mascara. This is worth $20. It says lengthen, define, curl retention. It's supposed to give you thickness, volume, and it's supposed to be smudge free and no flaking in an 8-hour day. I can't say much about the flaking. I do have the mascara on my lashes. The brush is really tiny bristles, and it's a really chunky wand. It does hold quite a bit of product in there, and did apply it so you guys can see that in the demo portion, but it seems like a nice one. And last thing in here is the Starlux Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil, and this is worth $19. This is actually on my inner corner of my eye. This is a beautiful lavender pencil. Oh god, I just broke the tip. That's awesome. Okay, do not extend it too far out. So this is what it looks like right there. This is the lavender pencil. I have to say, I did not like this whatsoever. I mean, it's just okay at best. So that is worth $19. And if you want to see the try on portion, then that is what is up next. I'm going to start off with the primer. This is the Pure Get a Grip. I feel like this will last a long time, but you will need to depot it into a little pot because if not, it will dry out. But sadly, it came in a little envelope. So I will try to put that in a little pot, and I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids. And it's nice that it came with that little primer. I just wish it was something either smaller or something that already came in a little pot, so that way if you don't have a pot, you won't be like, crap, where do I put this crap? And I could tell it's like super sticky. So this is the palette that I got. It's the Pure Festival. In the picture it looks like there might be a different one as well, more of a neutral one, but I got the fun bright colored one, so it has a few pops of color, which is nice, and it doesn't have a neutral shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my little Naked 2, and then I'm going to take one of the brushes that actually came, which is this large shader brush, and just use the shade Skimp to kind of just set that whole primer, at least till the crease, so that way the shades won't stick and skip. So first shade that I'm going to go in is Epic, which is this shade. I'm going to use that as my transition shade, and because the brushes are just flat brushes, there's no real crease brush, I'm just going to use my Sigma Tapered Blending to use that. And you do get a little bit of kick up, so you want to tap out your brush and just working that into my crease. Just gonna dip in a little bit more. And to use a, oh wait, this has a mirror, silly me. So it does have a nice little mirror here. I am like going overboard trying to look into my tiny little mirror. Okay, so that is blending out nicely. It's not too pigmented, so you could definitely build it up. Next up, I'm going to use the shade Wild Child, which is that beautiful hot pink. And I'm using a smaller brush. This is the MAC 221. And I'm going to put that just below the Epic shade. Okay, so that definitely took a little bit of blending for that pink shade. And with these kinds of shades, you want to be a little bit careful because you could get a little bit of staining on your lids. So I'm going to try with this shade right here, Fireworks. It seems to me that it's a pressed glitter. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the shade Sunset first down and then put the shade Fireworks over it. And I'm going to use one of the Luxie brushes that came in the Boxycharm, which is the small shader. I'm just going to put this all over the lid just so it has a base color. And sadly, this is, okay, this is definitely one that you want to use wet if you were to just use this one, because it has pigmentation but not enough for me. I'm not really impressed with that Sunset shade. Definitely would have to use it wet, but because I'm going to put the glitter on top, I'm just going to go ahead and go in to Fireworks and see how that comes out. I might have to use my finger because seeing how it comes on the brush, I don't think, okay, it's coming out okay. So I'm going to center that more on the lid. And this is a really chunky glitter. So if you wanted it to look just full on glitter, you would definitely have to build it up, and it might even crease on you. It's so hard to find a glitter formula that's pressed and that works. Okay, so I am building this up and I am getting a crap ton of glitter fallout all over my face. So I packed that on like crazy. The more I use it and dip into it, the more the brush is able to pick up quite a bit of the product. So I think maybe it was just the way it was at first, that it just came off like lightly. But now that I'm actually like like after that first layer, it's actually just going in really nicely and packing it on. Okay, I'm just gonna take the brush that came in and try to dust away a little bit of the glitter that I have all over my face. So definitely want to do your foundation last after you wiped away all the extra glitter. So for the lower lash line, just to kind of make this fun, I'm going to use this beautiful purple, which is the gypsy color. And I'm gonna have to use one of my brushes because I don't have anything small in this set. So it's not really a full complete set, but it is a nice set. So let's go ahead and just apply that purple underneath. So this is bright fun. You could also get really a neutral look using some of these shades, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some purple in my waterline to help pop it. I use Color Pop's, this is called a Piggy Bank, in my lower waterline. And then in the Boxycharm, there is a Starlooks Cosmic Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so last time they sent us one like this similarly, it was like a, yeah, look at that. You can't hardly see it. It's like glitter. And so let me see if I can just put this on the inner corner, I guess, of my eye and see if that works. Let me use the palette, which is a lot easier to hold up. So I'm just going to use this on the inner corner of my eye. I'm not really a fan of these Starlooks. I have used them in the past and they just don't come off as pigmented as I would like. And then the glitter sometimes doesn't even really show up as far as like in person, like when you see it. If you swatch it, it looks beautiful, but then when you use it, you're just like, eh. So I put that on the inner corner, but I don't think you can even tell, to be honest. In the Boxycharm, there is the Artist Couture Summer Haze. So this is a brand new shade from them. I know there was 2 new shades and you could get either or. There was like a purple one that was like a duochrome that looked really beautiful, or this one. And I was good with either or. So I'm just going to use the small contouring, which I probably should have contoured with, and put that highlight on. Ooh, that is beautiful. So hopefully the light will pick it up and you guys can see it. This is a beautiful shade. I love his loose shimmers like this. They are absolutely stunning. He does a marvelous job with highlights. I know loose powders can sometimes be a pain because they get everywhere, but his highlighters are just beaming. Like if you want a beaming highlighter on your face, he's the way to go. And you know what, just to test out the brush, I'm going to contour just a tiny bit with a little bit of Hoola by Benefit, and just contour underneath there, which I hadn't done, and contour my nose a little bit, my forehead, and my double chin. Last thing in here is the Power Up Butter London Mascara. And this looks really chunky, and the wand kind of reminds me of one of the Maybelline ones. It's really spiky, really short bristles, and it's a little bit curved. So let's see if we can tell a difference from one eye to the other. Just gonna apply a few coats because that's what I would normally do. And God, I can see all the fallout on my face. Okay, so that is just like passing it a few times with one coat. This is what the mascara looks like. This is no mascara and this is mascara. I feel like it really grabs almost every single lash that you have and coats it. So let me know what you guys think. This is it for this month's Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys think of everything. To me, I think that the palette and the Artist Couture highlights, especially the Artist Couture highlight, to me is the #1 thing in this box that is amazing. Especially it's a new shade, so you're getting like something that's brand new. The Pure Festival seems like a lot of fun. I do like that the glitter, once you get through that first layer, it really does build up nicely onto your eyes. But like I said, do your makeup, your eye makeup first. The shades seem like a lot of fun. It seems like a really fun palette for summer. There's a lot of warm tones. There's pop of color, of pink, of purple, and some glitters in there. So this is a really fun palette to come in the box. The brushes are nice. I am a fan of Luxie brushes. I have bought quite a few of their sets myself. The contour one is one that I already have, so I'm not mad at it. This one is one that I only use sparingly, and then this one is one that I like. So out of the three, I think that this one would be the least one that I use, and the other two are good. The mascara, I think I like it. I feel like it gave me a lot of volume. The bristles are spiky, but not spiky where they bother me to the point that I don't want to use the mascara. And of course it is too big of a wand for your lower lashes, so you would only be able to use it mainly on your upper lashes. But I do feel it is a nice one. Because it came in the box, I don't think it's something that I would rush out and buy. The Starlooks pencil is just a total fail for me. This shade is just like a little bit of lavender glitter, and you can't even see it. I put it on my inner corner. You can see it just a tiny bit, but not something that I would buy myself. If it didn't come in the box, I would be just like, eh. So that to me is the biggest fail of the box. But other than that, I really do like everything that came in the box. As always, I will have the total value of this month's box around here. Boxycharm is $21 a month if you subscribe to them, and I feel like their boxes are really, like, you really get your money's worth. And aside from that, they do have Boxy Luxe every season as well, so that's kind of like a little upgrade you can get every 4 months. And yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know down below what you guys think, or what are you looking forward to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and I'll see ya. Bye guys.